Do you think day trading requires staring at screens all day, glued to 5-minute charts? Think again. In this video, we argue why daily bars can be very useful for day traders, perhaps even better. While intraday bars like 5-minute charts show short-term movements, daily bars encapsulate an entire day's activity, providing a clearer picture of market trends. Why consider daily bars for day trading? Here are compelling reasons. Using daily bars offers several advantages. It reduces behavioral mistakes by limiting screen time and impulsive decisions, and it filters out intraday noise to reveal clearer trends. This approach also improves time efficiency, allowing more focus on research and strategy development. It's ideal for those seeking better work-life balance and offers simplicity, making backtesting a lot easier. These benefits can lead to more disciplined and potentially more profitable trading. However, be aware of certain limitations. Using daily bars comes with some drawbacks. They generate fewer trading signals than intraday charts, limiting opportunities. Additionally, daily high and low prices can sometimes be inaccurate due to after-hours activity or delayed trade reporting. We at quantifiedstrategies.com present several daily bar strategies on our website. For instance, we have a short seasonal strategy for the S&P 500, which enters at the open and exits at the close. Backtesting revealed that the average gain is 0.24% per trade and the win rate is 63%. These metrics suggest that with the right approach, daily bar strategies can be both effective and efficient. We have a second-day trading strategy that uses daily instead of intraday bars. This is a long strategy and has traded 166 times since 1993 with an average gain per trade of 0.4% after commissions and slippage. We think this is pretty good, also because volume is very high at the open and the close. Slippage should be minimal. If you, for example, have a portfolio of 10-day trading strategies based on daily bars, it most likely diversifies your portfolio and create uncorrelated returns. If you are interested in these strategies, please check out our strategies at quantifiedstrategies.com. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more trading strategies, and hit the bell icon to stay updated.